From the last video, we talked about what is the law of cosine. Now, how can we use it to solve application problems? So here is one example. We want to solve the triangle ABC. If we know that the angle A is 42.3 degree, the side B is 12.9 meter, and then the side C is 15.4 meter. So for this situation, we have angle A and then two of the side. If we draw a really general triangle, labeling them A, B, and C, then we know that angle A is 42.3. And side B is 12.9 meter, and then side C is 15.4 meter. And from the picture, we can see we actually have one of the side, one angle, and then the side next to it. So this is why for this type of example, we call it SAS type of example. We have a side, angle next to it, and then the other side next to the angle. So now, how can we solve it? So since we're looking for, we're still missing angle B and C, and then we are looking for side A. So it's more easier to start with the law of cosine. So we're looking for side A. So according to the law of cosine, A squared is going to be B squared plus C squared minus 2 times BC times cosine of A. Now plug in what we know. B is 12.9 meters square. C is 15.4 meters square. And then angle A is 42.3 degree. Now, once we plug in everything into the calculator and got A squared is approximately 109.7 meter square. But here the unit doesn't really make sense, so we're not going to talking about the unit here. But we're not looking for A squared, we're looking for A, so we're going to take square root out. So A is approximately 10.47 meter. So we only take the positive one because we have a triangle. Once we have the A, we're going to figure out the angle B and C. Here we're going to use the law of sine. So to use law of sine, since I have angle A, so I can start with A over sine of angle A, equals to B over sine of angle B. So we're going to find angle B first. Plug in everything we know. A is 10.47 meters is the one we just find out. Sine of A, so sine of 42.3 degree. B is 12.9 meter, and then we're looking for angle B. So we do not like to have the unknown part on the denominator, so I'm going to flip the entire equation. And since we're looking for the angle B, I'm going to multiply both sides by the denominator 12.9. And then punch everything into the calculator. I got sine of B. So sine of B is approximately 0.829213125. And then we're going to apply the inverse function. So we can get sine inverse of 0.829213125 is going to be the angle B, and what we got, B, is going to be approximately 56 degree. So once we figure out B, we're going to figure out the angle C. Since we have two angles now, A and B, so we do not need to using the law of sine equation. We can just using C is equals to, let me change the color. C is equals to 180 degree minus angle A and minus angle B, which is 42.3 and 56 is about 81.7 degree.